1 RIA, 1 lighthouse, 3 landmarks, 8 coves, 5 ports, 9 bridges, 40 mills, 3 migratory fish, 15 farms and 7 sleeping washerwomen. The town of Pont Aven has decided to engage in a process of environmental, cultural and engineering innovation based on its territory. The industrial wasteland of the Belangel is an opportunity to initiate a mutation revitalizing all the local resources already present. Ecosystem, built heritage, urban values, local initiatives and historical effervescence. The project reinterprets the local tradition of the hamlet through a new urban and social organization grouping dwellings around 4 founding places: a lively square, a school of currents, a plant nursery and a materials recycling hall. The Belangel wasteland is thus transformed into a reinvented hamlet in osmosis with the different environments that make up the Aven landscape. Productive environment. The School of Currents opens a field of experimentation in situ for the design and manufacture of machine mills implemented to play a double role: to protect the ecosystem of the Aven and to produce hydraulic energy, making La Belangel the first hamlet entirely independent in energy production. Aquatic environment. From the source of Corée to the Atlantic Ocean, the sleeping mills are put back into activity and the machine mills made at the School of Currents of Pont Aven set in motion the natural and urban landscape transformed into a scenography. Plant environment. The plant nursery is one of the other founding places of the hamlet. On the Belangel site, the project consists of demineralizing the banks and restoring them ecologically by reintroducing the vegetation that used to colonize the banks of the river. It is from the vegetation planted on the banks that the banks are stabilized and the filtered water is purified. Inhabited environment. In the extension of the historic city center, the farmhouses are home to family, individual and student housing. Located along the Aven River and punctuated by alleys, passageways and planted squares, their hybrid architectural style, combining industrial, traditional and contemporary buildings, forms the landscape of the new hamlet. The hall, located on the south side of the RD4, has been converted into a reuse workshop for the materials resulting from the transformation of the canneries. The Place des Machines is a place of effervescence of the hamlets, an echo of the creative and working class past of the Belangel. Enlivened by markets, shops and bistros on the banks of the Aven, it offers a framework for discussion where the inhabitants, students from the School of Currents, craftsmen and plant nurserymen forge links like artists and workers did in the past.